Today we got a video from Bodycam Files, and the title of the video is Lady Refuses to Get Out of Her Car, Ends Badly.
Conduct a traffic stop on a blue Fiat after a laser clocks the vehicle traveling 79 miles per hour in a 45 zone.
Hi. No, yeah. I didn't expect to get pulled over. Like, literally, I had my driver's license and, like, everything. Like, no.
Where are you coming from?
The beach.
Okay.
Yeah. Well.
Do you know how fast you were going?
No, I was literally turning from the bridge, so I wasn't.
Okay. Well, you're going fast. You're going 79 on a 45. That's what my laser clocked you at.
I couldn't have. Because,
yes, you could have.
No, because I carry my son's seizure medication, and I couldn't have. So no, there's no way.
What does that have to do with?
I couldn't have been going that fast. No.
Where are you
headed? Because his dad just texted me and was like, "Oh my God, I legit think that he might be having a seizure right now." And like,
okay, where is he right now?
In Sebastian. Like, literally, like, if I was going that fast, it couldn't have been that fast because like we just called you guys like literally last week on Wednesday.
Like, literally, I think you were going that fast. Literally, I don't think the dad called and said that. And literally, I don't think you having his seizure medication has anything to do with you speeding. And literally, you just left the beach, so I think that you've been drinking.
When he had a seizure.
All right, go ahead and turn your car off for me.
I couldn't have been going
Step out of the car for me.
I couldn't have been going that fast.
Please step out of the car for me.
Well, I'm trying to find I have so much receipts. I'm trying to find my license. Like, there's no way possible. Because, like, he's alert, okay. I'm alert. Like, there's no way that, like, we could have been, like,
all right.
No.
Go ahead and step out of the car for me.
For what?
Because I said so. Step out of the car for me.
Because you said so.
Step out of the car for me. Now.
I'm not, like... For what?
Because I need to talk to you, okay?
But you're talking.
I'm trying to understand what's happening. What you're talking about.
I'm under stress right now, and like my baby daddy is telling me that like my son's not fucking. Like I can show you the texts, and I'm literally trying to go, and like
I understand.
Like,
listen to me. I
don't need this. Listen, because I'm trying to.
I get it. I get it.
No, you don't get it because like I'm literally like.
Okay, are you able to call your baby daddy? Call him now for me so I can speak to him.
I'm under a lot of stress. My mom told me to.
Her story's not adding up.
Okay.
My story's not adding up, but about what? That was last week, yes. You told me that I was going 70. I was going 70 down a bridge. How was I going 70 down a bridge when you can only go a specific speed limit?
Okay.
Are you
Can we talk to him?
Paul. I go by Tina. I am on my social security and my birth certificate.
All right, Tina, I'm going to have you step out of the car for me, okay? Let's try to figure this all out for you.
How? Like,
because I'm trying to contact...
You told me...
Ma'am.
Your discovery said...
Ma'am, listen.
Your discovery said that I was going 70
listen.
Down the bridge.
You're not listening. You need to step out of the vehicle. This officer is asking you to step out of the vehicle.
She already mentioned that I was going 70 down.
Step out of the vehicle.
No.
Okay.
I want to speak to your fucking... No, I want to speak to your...
Did you signal one?
I think so.
Okay. Ma'am, this officer is asking you that you're required to comply with this officer's request. All right? And if you don't, she could arrest you.
She already stated that I was going 70.
You're going 79 in a 45.
I was not going... There is no possible... Like, are you kidding me?
Ma'am, you need to hang up the phone and step out of the vehicle right now. Ma'am, you need to hang up the phone and step out of the vehicle right now.
I want to speak to your... No. Oh, okay.
All right. We're gonna do this one way or the other.
No, okay, no.
Get out of the vehicle.
I want to speak to your fucking general manager. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me right now?
Get out of the vehicle.
No. Are you kidding me right now? This is all on Discovery. I have complied.
Can you get it?
I have complied. Why are you touching me?
That's it.
Why are you touching me?
10:15 at this point.
This is a lawsuit.
Can you go on the other side?
This is a lawsuit. Why are you touching me? Why are you touching me? No, dude, why are you touching me? You're touching me because of what? Because of what? You're touching me. This is all on Discovery. Why are you touching me? Why are you touching me? You're touching me because of what?
All right.
Why are you touching me? I haven't done anything. Why are you touching me?
Get out of the car.
No, why are you touching me? Why are you touching me?
Get out of the car.
Holy
Turn around. Turn around.
So you just whacked my head against the fucking concrete?
Move your hand.
Dude, I can't wait to fucking shoot you.
What'd you just say? You can't wait to shoot me?
Shoot you. Shoot you.
Move your hand.
You just I
Careful,
can't
bang it.
wait to fucking see you. Oh, I can't wait to see you. I can't wait to see you.
All right. You with your knees, get up.
No, I want your. No, I want. No, stop touching me. Stop touching me. Stop touching me. I want to see your fucking superior. Really, this is all on Discovery.
You got it?
Really?
On you?
Yeah. I do, because you guys are gonna be in a lawsuit.
on the other side.
You're gonna lose your fucking job. Both of you.
Okay.
Both of you. No, because my legs are fucking fucked up. You're gonna, like, this is all on Discovery.
Right.
I haven't done
Let me see
shit. I haven't done shit, bitch. I haven't done shit.
Where's it? You got it?
I haven't done shit. I haven't done shit. Don't worry. It's all on Discovery. Your fucking body cams. So what are you gonna do now? Because I can't wait until I talk to my goddamn lawyer.
Tina, I'm talking to you. I'm gonna ask you a question, okay?
Cool. Do you want a mac and chips? Do you want a cookie?
No, I'm not hungry.
I really don't care.
All right. Well, you show signs. You show.
Let me tell you, I won't speak to you until I have my fucking lawyer present. Okay?
All right. Well, don't speak to me. You can listen to me though.
Don't talk to me until my lawyer is present.
All right. Well, you show signs of impairment. Would you be willing to do the standardized field sobriety exercise?
Don't speak to me until my lawyer.
Okay, I'll take that as a no. I'll take that as a no. You will still be charged with a DUI, just to let you know.
Don't speak to me until my lawyer is present.
Okay.
End of speech. Don't speak to me until my lawyer is present.
Damn, that's the whole women's unit. Hold on, boy. Okay. First, I could tell off rip the one officer that was out there in the field. She was, listen, she got brothers and stuff. You could tell, man. She's ready to get down and dirty. She yanked her up out the car. Said, get you together, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, yeah. Because, you know, some of the lady cops, they're more passive. You know, it's a little, listen, especially when they dealing with a, it's a little different if you got a female officer dealing with a male suspect. You know, it's a little different. But when you have a female officer dealing with a female suspect, that's an even playing field, man. You're supposed to get them together. Like, for real. What? If they not acting right, what you expect? She yanked her out, right on the concrete. Turn over. Oh, yeah. Listen, I like that. I like that. And then they got the whole female unit over here, man. This is nothing but the ladies, man. Play games if you want to, man. They ready to go, man. Look, they all look like they ready. Make one wrong move, they on you, man. They on you, man.
That's why I gotta say to you.
You need to get a DUI. That's all I gotta say to you.
Cool, really? Okay.
The suspect was charged with DUI.
Hold on, that looked like that was the boss lady right there. Hold on, she came through. Who that? That's the old timer. She got the gray hair and everything. That's the final boss right there.
The suspect was
the stare down when she walked past. The stare down. That's the final boss, man.
charged with DUI and resisting without violence. On July 2nd, she pled guilty to a reduced charge of reckless driving, and the resisting without violence charge was dropped. She received 12 months of random testing probation, as well as 50 hours of community service. On June 10, 2025, her probation was modified where she was able to pay $400 in lieu of finishing her remaining 40 hours of community service.
Yeah, they're going to get that money about, body cam 2. I ain't never heard of that channel. Hold on. We might have a new one. Oh, we got a new subscriber. Okay. Cool, man. But anyway, good video, man. This was a good video. Just get out the car. You at the beach, you've been drinking, you doing this, doing that. Come on, man. Get it together. If you don't get it together, they're going to get you together.